Hello and welcome back to PixelPia, a human eye on AI, the show where I dive into the fascinating and sometimes perplexing world of artificial intelligence and its impact on our daily lives. Today we are tackling a contentious issue, the growing concern over AI-driven recruitment platforms and their potential bias. In today's fictional case, we are taking a closer look at JobRecruiterI, an AI job platform that has come under fire for allegedly overlooking qualified job seekers if they are from rural areas. In this case, of maybe unintended bias in AI algorithms. Or is there more to the story? Let's explore. Imagine this scenario. Sarah Johnson, a highly skilled software developer, lives in a small rural town with years of experience and a very strong portfolio. She's very confident about her job prospects. Sarah turns to JobRecruiterI, expecting its advanced AI system to match her with numerous jobs. However, weeks turn into months and Sarah's inbox remains empty. No interview calls, no job offers. Puzzled and frustrated, Sarah keeps digging deeper. She discovers something alarming. Despite her qualifications, JobRecruiterI's algorithm seems to favor candidates from urban areas, inadvertently sidelining her application. This isn't just Sarah's problem. It's an issue affecting countless skilled professionals in rural communities, leading to a critical question. Is JobRecruiterI's AI unintentionally biased against rural candidates? This fictional scenario, based on real concerns, sets the stage for our discussion today. How do algorithms like the one used by JobRecruiterI make their decision? And what happens when these systems systematically disadvantage a group of people? Let's start by hearing Sarah and her arguments against the use of these large AI models in recruitment.
While the promise of AI in recruitment is alluring, we must confront a critical issue: the inadvertent bias against rural job candidates. This is not just a flaw, it's a fundamental failure in ensuring fairness and equality in job opportunities. Firstly, the issue of ethical responsibility. For all their sophistication, AI systems lack the human understanding of context and nuance. When these systems inadvertently favour urban over rural candidates, they perpetuate a cycle of inequality, undermining the principle of fair chance for all. Secondly, transparency is a major concern. The algorithms are often black boxes, with decision-making processes obscured from candidates and employers alike. This lack of transparency raises serious questions about consent and fairness in recruitment. Lastly, the potential risks cannot be ignored. By systematically disadvantaging a segment of the population, AI risks entrenching geographic biases, creating a ripple effect that harms not just individuals, but entire communities. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to revolutionize recruitment, platforms must address these critical issues. Until then, their use remains a contentious and ethically dubious practice, threatening the very principles of equality and opportunity that they aim to uphold.
So that was the argument against. But as always, there are always two sides to each story. So now let's listen to Sam. He was one of the developers of the AI model used by JobRecruiterI.
Today we discuss a pivotal aspect of modern recruitment, the use of AI exemplified by platforms like JobRecruiterI, we stand firm in our support of these technological advancements. Why? Because they represent efficiency, objectivity, and progress in the recruitment process. First, let's consider efficiency. AI systems like JobRecruiterI process vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, offering employers a pool of candidates in a fraction of the time traditional methods would take. This efficiency is not just a convenience, it's a necessity in our fast-paced world. Moving to objectivity, AI algorithms, by their nature, are designed to make data-driven decisions. They analyze patterns and qualifications without the biases humans unconsciously hold. This objectivity is crucial in creating a level playing field for all candidates, regardless of background. Finally, let's talk about progress. Integrating AI in recruitment is a step towards a future where human potential is seamlessly matched with opportunity. JobRecruiterI and similar platforms are pioneering this future, constantly evolving to serve the job market more effectively. In conclusion, AI in recruitment, while not without challenges, represents a significant leap forward in connecting talent with opportunity. It's a journey towards efficiency, objectivity, and progress.
After hearing both sides of this complex debate, it is clear that the issue of AI in recruitment, especially in cases like JobRecruiterI, isn't black and white. While the efficiency and potential objectivity of AI can't be overlooked, the ethical implications and risks of bias demand our attention and action. From my perspective, as always, the key lies in balance and vigilance. We must embrace the benefits of AI while tirelessly working to mitigate its downsides. So what can be done about it? First, transparency in AI algorithms is crucial. Understanding how these systems make decisions can help identify and correct biases. JobRecruiterI and similar platforms must be more open about the process. Secondly, diversifying the data used in training these AI systems is essential. In this case, including more data from rural areas could have helped reduce the geographical biases. And lastly, there must be a continuous review and adjustment process. AI is not a set it and forget it system. It evolves, and so should our approach to managing it. Regular audits and updates can ensure that these systems remain fair and effective. Implementing these solutions won't be easy, but it's necessary for a future where AI aids rather than hinders equitable job recruitment. To wrap up today's discussion about JobRecruiterI and the biases in AI recruitment highlights a broader theme in our journey with artificial intelligence. It's a powerful tool, one that can bring immense benefits if used responsibly. The key is to constantly question, refine, and regulate these systems to ensure they serve everyone fairly. Now, I love to hear from you, my viewers. What do you think about the use of AI in recruitment? Have you had any experiences with platforms like JobRecruiterI? Share your stories and opinions in the comments down below. Your insights are invaluable in this ongoing conversation. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more discussion on how AI impact our work. Until next time, keep a human eye on AI. Bye.